Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Video. In this episode, we are going to see the review of Capes India iPhone skin. I have recently ordered this one and I thought of doing this video to show you how to apply this iPhone skin on your iPhone, and I'm also going to share my thoughts and opinions about how it looks, how it feels, and how easy it is to apply. This is not a sponsored or paid review. I actually ordered it with my own money. It is cheaper actually, less than 1,000 rupees when it comes to the skins that are available with so many expensive prices. And I'm a big fan of D brand skin, but in India only imported units are available, pieces are available, so it is not I felt it is not okay for me to try it all by myself after spending that much money on the skins, and if something messed up, the entire amount will be waste. So I was kind of avoiding it for a long time, and since iPhone 3GS I always wanted to wear just a skin and not a case. I'm not a big fan of cases, which makes the phone feel bulkier than what it actually, the weight compared to what it by default it was. So I'm not a fan of case, and that's why I wanted to try the skin sometime. And I'm a little bit afraid to use the iPhone without the case, even because when I try to keep it on the desk, it may get scratches or it may get some kind of bruises or something. So that's why. And as you can see, the package looks pretty minimal and simple, just a postcard type of card printed, and the Indian flag is printed at the top left corner. So I feel it is a made in India product. That could be the one reason why it is cheaper, just 500 rupees or 600 rupees compared to many other competitor products. And the Ziploc, when you opened it, you can see the contents of the package. It is pretty minimal. The rear side of the skin that you have ordered, and then if you order the sides also, then it will be included, otherwise it won't be there. If you just planning to wear the skin for only the rear side, then you can just order it only for the rear sides while ordering it. The extra 150 rupees it comes around for the sides if you want to apply to it as well. The cleaning cloth is there if you want to clean it before applying it. And the finish of this Thunderstorm, it is actually a Thunderstorm iPhone skin I have ordered for iPhone 12 Pro. The finish is pretty simple. The honeycomb design is kind of attractive and looks and feels really premium. It is kind of a cloth feel, so I'm a bit afraid like how it actually reacts to the water. If our hand is soaked into some water or something, it'll definitely be troublesome. And they also promise it will be a 3M material, and it is a residue-free material, which means like after 3 months or 6 months, if you want to remove this iPhone skin, you can remove it without leaving any residues on your iPhone. And I believe we can clean it using the Colin solution, which we normally use to clean the computer monitors, that kind of spray, clean up soapy liquids. And so this is the content of it. So without any delay, let's dive into the process of applying the iPhone skin. So I've been using the ESR clear case for all this time, and I'm going to remove it. And the yellow tint problem, as everybody knows, it's always there. Even branded cases like Spigen and many other brands also, when it comes to clear case, we always have the problem. So before starting with the process, it is important to clean the rear side of the iPhone completely. Don't go for the sides. If you have also ordered the sides skins, I would suggest you to consider the first applying process to the back of the iPhone and then go for the sides, because the fingerprints, you need to hold the iPhone. It'll be very difficult to do the sides first. Another important thing is clean the corners of the camera with the cleaning cloth provided to you. That is very important. That is where the dusts and dirts normally reside. So when you apply the skin, it'll show a little bit bumps on the corners. So that is very important. So let's start the process. As you can see, I have just took a half portion of the skin outside, and I'm just still having the sticker part in the another half of the sticker just left as it is, because we need to position the skin of the top side of the skin perfectly, as the camera cutout gives us a perfect positioning. So make sure you do that, and then you can peel off the rest of the sticker and you can place it at the bottom to make sure that the fit and finish perfectly aligned from top to bottom. It is centered. Then you can remove the sticker and simply paste the rest of the skin without any issues. So make sure you do this, and the Apple logo cutout, the camera cutout, and everything will be in a perfect place. Otherwise, we normally make a mistake. Even though the camera cutout perfectly fits, we normally just give one left or right side could be a little bit sideways. So to avoid that problem, try to do this in a step-by-step process. So as you can see, the fit is now perfect and it covers the iPhone precisely. I'm really surprised about the cutouts they have given for the sides and as well as the center part of the Apple logo. The leaf of the Apple itself precisely cut out, and I really like it. So there is no extra steps and efforts I need to take, and I'm really happy about it. The material feels kind of giving a good grip as well, while holding the phone. But if I have a sweaty hand, I really doubt how it will react to it. I'm going to see for the next 1 month how it changes the colors or anything. The honeycomb design and the blue thunderstorm design with the light and dark blue shade is really something different. And next, the camera cutout. So the precise cutout is there, the skin is available there. I'm going to try fixing it, and I kind of had a thought whether it will be difficult to align it properly, but it was super easy. As you can see, simply position it from the left side camera angle and the rest of the area will be fixed perfectly. I'm really surprised with the precise cutout for the microphone as well. So they really did a good job to make us feel the skin is actually looks and feels premium, and it is super easy to fix by even a beginner like me who haven't tried applying a skin on the iPhone ever before. So this is my first skin and I really like it. That's all I would say. And as you can see, the finish looks really gorgeous on the iPhone 12 Pro, and it's time for us to do the sides of the iPhone. So take the skin and you need to peel off any one, either the left side or right side. Before that, make sure you cleaned the entire sides from removing your fingerprints and everything, because all your fingerprint data must be there printed, and use the cleaning cloth to completely wipe it off. Carefully position the power button side. I'm doing it on the right side of the iPhone. Carefully position the cutout for the power button, and the rest will be in a perfect position. An important step that we need to do here is, as Caps India suggests, to make sure that the curved edges fits properly. The stickers adhesive will not be sufficient, so you need to heat it a little bit. That is why we are using hair dryer to give a little bit heat, and just a little bit heat. So just do it for 3 to 4 seconds. When the temperature started to rise, you will feel the temperature on your thumb, on your hand as well, on your index finger as well, when you try to hold the phone. So make sure the temperature is kind of a tolerable temperature, and little bit 5 to 6 seconds or maximum 10 seconds. And you can increase the hair dryer the speed of the blower to 2 or maximum 3, I believe. So just heat it up a little bit and then fix it, so that it'll give a good perfect set of adhesive, and it'll fix for a longer time until you remove it. So for the both sides, you need to do for the top and the bottom as well, you need to heat it up a little bit with the hair dryer and then fix it carefully. So I have done it on the left side and it fixed without any issues. All right, you need to do the same for the other side as well. And the bottom sides, you can see the clear microphone grills and cutouts were very precise, and it is super easy to fix it. When you have the sides perfectly aligned and positioned, you can easily fix it without any issues. And overall, the phone feels super, without a case. It's been a dream for me for a long time to use the iPhone without a case. It's just the iPhone weight I want to feel, which is already heavy for me, and for longer use, it is really, kind of an hectic. And while wearing a case, it makes it even more bulkier. So I can happily use it without any cases hereafter, and I can keep it on my table, desk, or anywhere I want without worrying about whether any scratches will happen on the rear side of the iPhone. It looks premium, it looks beautiful, it makes the iPhone look different as well. Give it a shot. Capes India, I will leave a link to the website in the description of this video. Once again, this is not a sponsored or paid review, so it is totally, I spent my own money to buy this Capes India case, and I wanted to share it with you guys to give it a try and see how it works. I'm also going to send an email to Capes India asking for some exclusive discounts for our audience. I'll leave a link and the coupon in the description of this video, probably after a week from publishing this video. We'll see you in the next video with some useful content. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.